Welcome to New Generation. Creating 1,000 YouTube Shorts in 20 minutes is a highly ambitious goal. And it would require a very streamlined process and a high degree of automation. Here's a detailed breakdown of how you might attempt this using Canva and ChatGPT. Tools needed. Canva. This is an online graphic design tool that allows you to create a wide range of visual content, including images and videos. ChatGPT. This is a language model AI developed by OpenAI, and it can assist in generating text, which could be used as captions or descriptions for your YouTube Shorts. Preparation. Predefined templates. In Canva, create a series of templates for YouTube Shorts. These templates should have the right dimensions and placeholders for images and text. Why? You can design a few templates to start with, but ultimately, you'll want enough to accommodate 1,000 unique shorts. Batch of media. You'll need a large collection of images, videos, or graphics to use in your shorts. These can be your own creations or royalty-free media from platforms like Unsplash, Pexels, or Pixabay. ChatGPT configuration. Set up a system where you can generate captions or descriptions quickly using ChatGPT. You might use the API to interface directly with ChatGPT or use a pre-existing script for this purpose. Execution. Batch process in Canva. 1. Open Canva and start with the first template. 1. Add media from your collection into the placeholders. 3. Canva allows for easy drag and drop functionality. 1. Customize the text elements as needed, ensuring they align with your overall vision for each short. Automation with Canva API, optional. If Canva offers an API, application programming interface, you might be able to automate some of the design process. This would require programming skills to interface with the API. Generate text with ChatGPT. 1. For each short, you'd need a title, description, and any other text elements. 3. You could use ChatGPT to generate these. 5. For example, you could provide a brief description of the content, and ChatGPT could assist in creating engaging captions. Export and organize. 1. Once a short is complete, export it in the desired video format. 3. Canva offers options for video exports. 1. Organize your completed shorts into folders for easy access and upload. Time management. Focus on efficiency. Since you have only 20 minutes, efficiency is key. Familiarity with Canva and the use of templates will be crucial. Parallel processing, if possible. If you have multiple devices or a powerful computer, consider working on several shorts simultaneously. Prioritize quality over quantity. Keep in mind that producing a very large number of shorts in a short amount of time may lead to a compromise in quality. Ensure that each short meets a certain standard. Testing and adjusting. Spot check. Periodically review your shorts to make sure they meet your standards. Adjust templates or your process as needed to improve efficiency. Iterate and refine. After your initial run, analyze your process and look for areas to improve. This might involve tweaking your templates, modifying your ChatGPT prompts, or finding ways to automate further. Remember, attempting to create 1,000 YouTube Shorts in 20 minutes is a highly ambitious goal and might be challenging to achieve without highly specialized tools or automation. It's important to set realistic expectations and prioritize quality content over quantity. Support and subscribe. Thanks for watching.